Hello friends and welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can cook up your own live Maine lobster from home. Look at these guys. Stick around. So a few months ago we ordered 6 fresh Maine live lobsters. Oh my goodness. This is something we've always wanted to do. And we took advantage of being home and not using so much gas money when we had to stay home during the stay-at-home thing during the whole you know what. And we were like, hey, let's take this money that we're not using and let's order some fresh Maine lobsters. Let's just do something completely different right now and have a little fun. I've had this company on my radar for a long time, and no, this is not sponsored by them, but this is a company that I wanted to get fresh seafood from for a while now to try out. When my family is here in the summer, we want to do a big like clam lobster bake, and I wanted to test how good the quality was, how the shipping process is, and the taste. So it was so successful. I think they were about £1.50 pounds. They were running a sale on them, which was awesome. We got a really great deal. So it came packed really tight in this box, delivered right on our doorstep. I opened it up and would you know, there they are. And like the cup holders, you know, when you pack to move and you put the cups in the cup holders, they were in like that, really tight, covered with seaweed. And they had like ice packs in there too, kept very cool. And inside it had this booklet, and I'm keeping this because it's very informative. It talks about how you can cook your seafood. So for the lobster, it gave me all the instructions. They were easy to follow. I was so intimidated. I love lobster. It is one of my favorite seafoods to eat along with crab, but I am a lobster girl. I grew up in Massachusetts and I just love lobster, especially fresh lobster. And I have never, ever by myself cooked a fresh live lobster. So these instructions were super easy and it turned out great. Let's jump into this and I'll share with you all the fun. Moving! They're moving!
They're like stretch.
Yeah, they're like stretching, like that was a long trip from Maine.
Fire.
Oh my gosh, this is incredible. There's 2 of them. We have 6 to get out of the box. All right, we have the 6 lobsters here and the pot is at a rolling boil. All right, I am just cutting off the elastics because we do not want that to go in the water, and they're very strong. These guys are strong, so be careful not to get pinched by them. Okay, for these £1.50 lobsters, I've got my water going. I'm gonna be adding probably about a cup of sea salt in. They say about 1/4 cup for every gallon. That is perfect. All right, here we go, head first. We're gonna stir this ever so often to rotate them in the boil. It says not to cook it with the lid, so we won't be doing that. Okay, I was halfway through the time and I gave them a good stir. So you know it's a fresh lobster when it's done and its tail is curled under like this. If it wasn't fresh, the tail would be straight out. Like I have to force it to go out. And here it's nice and curved. So this looks really good. The little legs here don't have a lot of meat, but they're super sweet. And you could just always just pull that off. And you could just suck on them. That's what I do, and they're just sweet and yummy. You're gonna rip off the cloth and you grab it by the knuckle and everything, like pretty much right here by the knuckle, and then you just pull. And there you have a cloth. And we're gonna do that on this side as well. And now for the tail, I just kinda bend it back and twist. And then we have that. And now we have, oh, look at all that yummy yumminess in there. Oh. And I do eat inside the head. We used to save the inside where the green stuff is for my grandmother. So there you have it. So now you have your tail. So I'm just gonna come in and lightly cut into that right there. And then there you have it. Nice, yummy, tender tail. It's so good. So you could cut right down. Pour some lemon on here and dip it into your butter. It's so good. Okay, so there's the meat from your tail. And then we're gonna crack our claw. I'm gonna take this, pull it from here. I'm gonna take the knuckle here and snap it like that. And then you can take your cracker and crack right here. There is a distinct flavor between the claw and the tail. The claws are so sweet, so tender. It's absolutely delicious. And here you have your claw. And then of course there's meat in here and you can crack into this and get that meat as well. And then for this, you just pull like this right off. And then you have all that. And then just use some lemon and dip it into your butter and enjoy, you guys. And that is how you cook and eat a fresh Maine lobster. Well friends, if you have ever cooked a live lobster, tell me your experience down below. If you have any tips for me, also leave them down below. But this was fun and completely out of the ordinary, and it just boosted our spirits at the time, and it was delicious. Well, thank you so much for joining me, and we will see you soon. Bye.